In this SolidWorks Quick Tips video, we're covering surfacing and master modeling techniques. Use the sweep and loft functions to create complex shapes. After the console is complete, split the model into multiple parts for proper design for manufacturing and, of course, ease of assembly.